This is William Shatner for the National Safety Council. Materials handling and storage. Almost every supervisor has to deal with these important issues. Manual handling accidents cause about 25% of all occupational injuries. And they're not limited to the warehouse and loading dock. Moving and storing material is a part of every business. Since all manual handling involves some risk of injury, a careful analysis of handling and storage operations should be done. Identify problem areas and design new solutions. Employees are often a good source of suggestions for improvement.
Well, I don't know about everyone else, but I have most of my problems with the boxes at the end of the first line. Pace is quicker there, and when I speed up, sometimes I get careless.
Yeah, that's my problem too. I think we should do something that will take the pressure off us at that station. Either that or get smaller, lighter boxes.
Smaller boxes would be the ideal solution, but I don't see that happening in the near future. What if we diverted some of the boxes into another station? Would that solve our problem?
That would be okay as long as the other station is set up the same way. So the need for vertical lifting of the boxes is minimal.
Why couldn't a whole new station be built? I really think we need one with production up.
That's something to consider. Does anyone else have any ideas? Okay, well, this has been a great meeting. I want to thank you all for your input. It's given us a lot to think about and work on. And when we come up with some possible solutions, we'll have another meeting to discuss them. I'll keep you all informed of our progress. Thank you.
If it's necessary for your workers to move materials manually, the work system should be designed for the worker's safety and ease of movement. The human body is a wonder of design, but it has limitations that even the strongest muscles can't overcome. Muscles used improperly have less strength and are more prone to injury than the same muscles used for the same job in the proper way. Poor lifting techniques, like the wrong hand placement, can make a job harder. In this example, the arm and back muscles don't have enough strength, and a back injury could be the result. Studies have shown that no single lifting method can be considered best for every situation. But some basic rules apply to most lifting. Your feet should be in a stable position, close to the load. Get a good grip on the load, keeping the load and your arms close to your body. Lift mostly by straightening your legs, and always lift straight up. Never twist or turn in the middle of a lift.
I'm glad to see you're using the lifting techniques we taught you. It's important to protect your back. I really appreciate the effort you're making to do that.
Thanks. Ever since the class, I've been very careful. I wish my neighbor would have taken the class. He was lifting a small box in the garage at home, and he pulled his back really bad. It's been 2 weeks now, and he's still home from work.
Yeah, that was probably an injury waiting to happen. He's probably been lifting like that all his life.
Your company's program to train workers in proper lifting techniques should be backed up by your awareness. When people are rushed or under stress, they tend to revert back to old lifting habits. Reminders and even refresher training sessions are always needed. Hand tools and hand trucks can make material handling easier for the workers, but they also pose hazards of their own. Hand tools should always be in good condition, and employees should know the safest ways to use them. Non-powered hand trucks look easy to handle, but proper procedures should always be followed.
Hey, Phil, this load looks a little top-heavy, don't you think?
Yeah, it looks that way, but the heavier boxes are on the bottom.
It's best to keep the load center of gravity low, but this load still isn't well balanced. See, to compensate for the different sized boxes, you've got to load it too far back. All the weight will be on the handles, on you, instead of the axle.